Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm a huge fan of the Rogue style and I missed out on the anniversary Rogue last year in the warm brown suede. So I decided the next time Coach releases the Rogue in a nice suede, I'm gonna just get it. If you're new here, my name is Leslie and I'm a bagaholic. I review all kinds of bags ranging from Lululemon to Coach to Louis to Hermes, and I also like discovering new brands as well. I'm super excited for this unboxing, so I'm not gonna wait any longer and let's do this. Okay, here we go. So the one thing I'm not looking forward to is all this unpacking I have to do, but let's just see if I can get a quick feel of the suede. All right. It does feel pretty nice. It's got a very nice hand feel. Ooh, and it comes with this chunky lock right here. Weighs a decent amount. Okay, I'm gonna unpack all this and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. I had to take the scissors out to unwrap this, and here she is. What do you guys think? The suede feels pretty good. It's not as soft as my other Rogue suede actually, but the other Rogue suede that I have is actually, it was made in error. The suede they used on this one is usually what they use on the inside lining of bags, and they mistakenly used it for the outside. This is a made-to-order suede Rogue, which I absolutely love. So here are the two together. Now I'm gonna have a review to compare the two styles. This is the original version, this is the updated Rogue, and we'll see how that goes. So I'm not sure that I'm gonna keep this bag yet, so I left all the tags on it. But looking at it, I do like that they have a magnetic closure on the top here, and I also love that they added the lock back on, because I do have an original Rogue here. This is the first generation Rogue, and it also comes with the lock. So I'm going to compare the two locks to see how similar they are. And this is the original one because you can tell it's got the textured handles up here. After that, they started making them with the smooth handles like you have now. So this actually looks really nice, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to keep this one, because I was like, I'm only going to keep it if I like it better than the original. And so far, it's kind of nice that they have a slouch because the magnetic closure, because slouchy is in right now, but it's still not as slouchy as this one. You see how it just kind of collapses? I think it's because they also used the thinner suede on this, because this one still is pretty stiff here right now. In case anyone might be interested, I'm going to compare both of these Rogues in my collection in my next video. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing so you don't miss out on the comparison video. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you next time.